In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to backwash a sand filter. And this is a Hayward Veriflow multi-port valve, which is really common. And you have different areas on it. You have filter, waste, winter mode, closed, backwash, recirculate, and rinse. So what you're going to do is you're going to backwash, you're going to turn off the pump. So the pump's already off. You can, if it's on, you want to turn it off like that. You're going to come over here, you're going to extend the backwash line. I have this one going out right over here. Make sure that's extended. A lot of times you'll see a blue hose or it'll be at the actual street. Once it's off, you're going to grab the handle and you're going to go clockwise to backwash, which is at 6 o'clock. Then you're going to come back and you're going to turn it on. You're going to make sure there's no kinks in the hose. So this one's working well. You're going to want to wait roughly about 3 minutes. This one has been done recently, so I can show you. Let me get on the side of it. You can see the sight glass there. Once that's pretty much clear, or 3 minutes, you're going to come back to the actual timer. You're going to turn it back off. Make sure to turn it off. It's very vital that you turn it off. There's a spider gasket down here in the bottom, and it will damage it if you do not. So then you're going to grab the handle. You're going to go clockwise to rinse. We're going to turn it back on here. Still making sure there's no kink in the backwash line, so that looks good. And here I usually run it for about 30 seconds to a minute. And like I said, this one has recently been back flushed, so it's fine. And you can see the sight glass there. It's clear. I'm going to come back to the timer. We're going to go to the off position again. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to grab the handle, push down, twist it clockwise to the filter position, and you are done. Turn it back on and you're good to go. So that's how to backwash a sand filter. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you.